In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to replace the chain without removing the shade on a manual operated roller shade. Follow along to ensure a smooth and damage-free process. Start by rolling the shade to its upper limit. If the shade has fascia, remove the front cover. Remove the existing chain. Insert the new chain up through the front of the clutch by aligning the beads with the clutch teeth. Then rotate the mechanism to pull the bead chain through the clutch. With the spring on the chain guide compressed, pull the chain through the opening on the tension device. If necessary, cut the bead chain to proper length. Connect the bead chain using the provided connector. Finally, set the shade limits using the provided bead stops. Reinstall the fascia if applicable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, visit Insaroll.com.